If you ever had an injury or a surgery, you know how does the physiotherapy and rehabilitation look like. They are expensive, long, and we are dependent on doctors. But what if we could make them adequate for needs of a 21st century man? What if we could bring it to the home so that patients can train anytime with the feedback and suggestions in order to know that they are doing it correctly? This would also mean a faster and much cheaper rehabilitation for patients and for institutions also. What if you could visualize the activity of your muscles always, not only when they hurt you? What if you could track your progress on a day-to-day basis? This would also help you improve your results and boost your motivation. That's why our side markets are athletes and highly motivated amateurs. So MyMyo is a personal trainer in your pocket. While end users are performing exercises, MyMyo is attached to the skin above the muscle of interest and visualizes the data on the smartphone. It also sends data to the supervisor if you have one. Supervisor can then analyze the data, modify the exercises, and perform research. So MyMyo is intended for end users who will buy MyMyo either directly in shops, web shops, or pharmacies, or indirectly through their institutions as supervisors. Supervisors and institutions like clinics, rehabilitation centers, and hospitals will buy MyMyo and lend it to the patients during their rehabilitation. They will also have to buy licenses for specially designed desktop applications. We are targeting European fitness and health market, which is multi-billion euro market, the largest fitness market in the world. We are also targeting the physiotherapy equipment market, which is almost equally as large, with a high annual growth rate. Our first entry market is Croatia, where we predicted we will be able to sell around 200 MyMyo software applications for the institutions and around 20,000 MyMyo devices for supervisors and end users in the next 3 years. This will bring us a total income of 1.5 million euros. Today there are various fitness apps for training products, workout plans, but none of them has a direct feedback of how much does the muscles work. They are a renowned manufacturer of EMG devices, which are for laboratory and research applications, meaning that they are expensive and complex. Three most similar devices are Due, Trigno, and Shimmer. But there is actually no substitute or direct competitor for MyMyo's functionality and target users. So we have a working proof of concept that was developed on Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Computing. We have awards on innovation fairs, and we have a highly qualified and motivated team. Our next steps are first the evaluation in rehabilitation centers and hospitals, and then the market launch in October next year. But in order to be able to do that, we need an investment of 100,000 kunas. So today is the time of exponential growth of interest into wearable devices, especially the ones concerned with health and fitness. But there is no simple lightweight device for monitoring muscles activity for personal use. So isn't that the next step? Thank you.